Diamond. Diamond. Diamonds are very shiny. Many people choose diamond rings for weddings. This is a real diamond. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Gold. Gold. Gold is very valuable. I bought a gold necklace. It's my favorite piece of jewelry. Do you like gold jewelry? Sliver. Sliver. Silver bars are a good store of value. I like simple silver jewelry. What about you? Do you prefer gold or silver? Salt. Salt. Salt is found in nature. We use salt in cooking every day. I put salt on my chips. Iron. Iron. Iron is a very strong metal. This tool is made of iron. There's an iron gate in front of our house. Gypsum. Gypsum. Gypsum is often used to make dental molds for dentures. My leg is in a gypsum cast. Gypsum is common in construction materials. Coal. Coal. Some homes still use coal for heating. Coal is used to produce electricity in some countries. If you are naughty, Santa will give you coal. Graphite. Graphite. Graphite is used in pencils. Graphite is also used in batteries. Clay. Clay. The artist shaped the clay by hand. Clay is used to make pottery. I like making things out of clay. Marble. Marble. I like marble countertops. The sculpture is carved from marble. Marble looks elegant and smooth. Copper. Copper. Copper has a beautiful reddish-brown color. This coin is made of copper. Copper is an important industrial metal. Thanks for watching.